Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. We want to take a look at the Bitcoin chart as we are, approaching a new trading week. And the overall situation remains pretty much unchanged here. We have seen a breakout today, a breakout attempt, and so far the market has fallen back into the range. I mean, it's very much possible that we continue to chop higher here. At the moment, I have to say, it does look a little bit like a B-wave top that formed here. But again, I will not rule out that the market is forming here some kind of a diagonal pattern to the upside. Certainly nothing very clear at the moment. There are many options still how this could be labeled. But the overall assumption that this here could be a B-wave in white remains unchanged. Now you can see that the structure to the upside is very much overlapping, very choppy, overlapping structures, and so far the price has not really given us a decisive breakout to the upside. So what would have been good from a let's say bullish point of view is a breakout to the upside, and then obviously impulsive follow through, and even holding above the previous breakout point here, like retesting the previous breakout level at 105k. Now that didn't happen. Quite a sharp pullback as well from the high, but yeah, we haven't taken out any swing lows. So the situation remains unchanged. So as I said in the last video and videos, to keep you updated about the relevant levels, minimally a break below, actually this low from Thursday for an indication that we've really topped. And okay, in the very short term, we could now say that we are watching this level here, so the 102,650 level. It's just the last swing low. So while we have tried to break out, we've fallen back into the range. We haven't got any break below a previous swing low. Therefore, I'm still not in the position to confirm a top, even though I have to say it is possible that an internal B-wave topped here. But it's a messy structure, and it would mean that the B-wave is a WXY structure. 3 waves up in wave W, 3 waves down in X, 3 waves up in Y. So this would be the microstructure. And interestingly also, the market has reacted to the 100% extension, which is, well, it's an ideal target for a Y wave in a B wave. That's just one thing to be aware of. And then also, it's where the previous swing high was located, right? Yeah, marginally higher high, but weekend breakouts are typically not characterized by a lot of volume. So yeah, we didn't really get that sustained breakout. However, the market now continues to grind higher. We can take the yellow scenario for one more upside extension more and more seriously. But what I want to communicate in this video, the situation hasn't changed really over the weekend. We are still quite close to a top. Maybe we've topped already, and this was simply a B-wave top, which is not really formally part of the uptrend that started in April. But it's basically just, a 5-wave move up in wave A, and we're now starting that B-wave correction. It's just that as part of this B-wave, the first corrective rally did overshoot. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, for follow through now to the downside, I need to see a 5-wave move down, which, hold on, I cannot clearly identify yet. Okay, one more low might give us 5 waves down from the high. And I also need to see, I would say, minimally a break below the last swing low here at 102,650. So overall, situation not changed. Both scenarios we discussed over the weekend still valid. And yeah, well, let's see how the weekly candle closes. I'll probably record another update later today. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.